Good day. I welcome you to today's section of our online tuition. Today we are going to look at how to design a basic or any simple birthday flyer. So with much ado, let's launch our Pixel Lab. So here might be the interface. So quickly I'll just tap on default and select here the A so that I'll delete it. And also let's change the background to a different color. So the background will be here. Yes, so we just click on it and we select on color. So color, let's choose as usual, let's choose pink. Okay, so after that we just click on this. We just click on the mark sign. So let's begin with our work. We are going to make use of shapes. So we normally get our shape from the middle one, that where we can get our shape. So we just click on shapes. Then we just select, so we can make it to any form that we want it to appear. So after this we just click here and work on it. So we can tap here and this side to increase or decrease it. So I can use here I think the size might be okay. Sure, it might be cool. So we can tap on it and edit it, or we can insert a new shape. And we need to also position it in the middle. We need to position it in the middle with this relative position. Okay, so we just go to we just click on shapes again to select another shape, but that one you make it a bit smaller than the one that we have already. Sure, so something like this. I think this might be cool. So we have it like this. So you just click on copy so that we can get a duplicate of it. Copy and place it beside it. We can also use a grid line to check or to put our work in line by selecting here. Okay, so with the middle one, I can position it to where I want it to be exactly. Okay, so right from there I click on mine. I'll just click here. Let me use this space instead. Sure, so that everything will be in line. So right from there I need to lock all the shapes that have been inserted. So I'll just click here to lock it. So now my work is locked. To take off the grid lines, all that I need to is to click on this again. It will go. So if I want it, I just click on it. Okay, so assuming you want to push it up a bit, all that you need is to select the exact shape that you want. So I'll just take the middle one by clicking the top here. and tap on the middle. That was the first one instead, and use my position to push it upwards. Yes, this is how I want it. And the other two, I want to also put them, so I'll just select where I normally used to be and select. So with this, I'm going to move them together, so we will just click here. After that, you will see how it will be. So right from there, we just select these two, then we select this, and we like so we can position it now. You see that it going. So with this, the space should be a bit little. Sure. So with this, I'm going to insert another shape. We are just making use of shapes. I need to check the size. Okay, let me position it to how I want it to be. I think this is cool. So right from here, I'll just click on my mark sign and copy. So I'll just place it to the other side of my project and use my position to put it at the exact place I want it to be. Sure. So right from here, I'll just merge them. So by merging, you just click here or select this very icon. By tapping there, then we come to the left scanner, and you just select all the shapes we have here. Right from there, we need to merge it, so we use this to merge. This icon is meant for merge, and click OK. So they are going to be together. As we can see, they are all ones. So all that we need to is use our relative position to put it in the middle of our work. So from here, you just go in and select texture. So with the texture, we are going to select image. So this will lead us to where we can find our image that we want to use. So I'll just go to my gallery. After that, I'll just go into my download. So I need to search for the image that I want to use. Okay, I want to use this very particular image. Let's try this one. This. So we just select it and crop it to how you want it to be. I think it's good, and we just select on our mark sign down here. So we have our image nicely. We can increase it with a positive sign, or we can decrease it. So let's increase it a bit. So right from here, you just click on your mark sign at our right scanner down. So basically we have it here. So what are we going to do? We can just write happy birthday under it by selecting the A. Then we go to text and edit. Here is edit. So let's type in happy birthday dear. Birthday dear. After we click OK. So we have our happy birthday dear here. But we need to change the font. Yes, we need to change the font. So you just scroll to where we have fonts. So by clicking font, automatically we have fonts on our apps already, but I have a specific font that have been downloaded. So I'm going to make use of one of the fonts that might suit the work. So I'll click on fonts, my font instead. But when you are doing, you can just click on font. So I'll just select this one and see. Okay. What should I do? I need to increase it with the size. And let me show you one feature here. You see that some portion of the written is hidden. So all that we may do is just select or tap on the padding or padding. Yeah. Then we move it so that all the letters will show. You see, nice. So right from here, we can make the font bold by selecting star. That's the B. Bold. And we can also decide, sure, I think it's cool. Yeah, I think it's cool. So basically, this is the end of our tutorial to design a simple birthday flyer. So you can use your own image, and also right after here you can decide to change the font if you have any you can decide to change the background if you have any specific or special background for your birthday. So let me just try with mine and see if I could get some. Go to where I can get my background, then go to gallery. From gallery, I'll just try and see with my download as usual if I could get some. Okay. So assuming I want to use this one, I'll just select it and crop it. Sure. After that, I'll just click on my mark sign. So basically, I'm done with it. But you see that the background, since we add the background, the font we choose color white for the happy birthday, so we cannot see it well. So all that we need is to tap here and select our font. That's the happy birthday. Let's just tap on it and click here again. So now we can, since it's a text, we need to select the A here that we can get a text. So by selecting it, we go and choose a color that might display our happy birthday there. So we just click on color and select any color. Assuming we want to use yellow, we can select yellow here directly from here. But if you want the same yellow as used in our background, all that you may need is to click on the plus sign here. Then we select here. So as indicated, so all that we may need is to tap on this. So we have it already. So which yellow is it, the deep here or the light or the deep? So I want to mix them, so I'll just select in between After that, I'll just click my mark sign. And click OK. So you see that we have it below. And it's quite cool. So right from here, we are going to save our work. So you just go here and save our work. So we can save our work as a project or image. Mostly we normally save work as project so that we can revisit it and edit it anytime when it's necessary. So first thing after every work done is to save as a project. Just type in the name birthday flyer. Okay, so we have saved as a project. We also need to save as a work so that we can get it in our gallery. So we just tap on it again and go to save as image. And note, with the savings we need to change it from JPG to PNG, and we go to default. We normally choose ultra for high resolution. Ultra, then we go to save to gallery. Save to gallery. So it's savings. Once it's done, we'll just go and check our gallery and see if the work is there. Okay, so let's go back and go to our gallery. So here's the work. We have it here saved nicely. You see that our happy birthday has pushed upwards, so we just need to tap on it and send it downwards so that we can see it clear. After that, then we save it. Done. So now we have our work nicely saved. So this brings us to the end of our tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session.